Invisible Future. Season 1 Finale. Episode 12. The Human Edge. What AI still cannot replace. Imagine a machine that knows almost everything humanity has ever written. It can explain quantum physics, compose music, write software, translate languages, design buildings, even help discover new medicines. Now imagine asking it one simple question. What should humanity dream about next? The machine can generate possibilities, but it cannot decide which future is worth pursuing. That choice has never belonged to technology. It has always belonged to us. Throughout history, every revolutionary tool expanded human capability. The compass did not choose the destination. The telescope did not decide what discoveries mattered. The internet did not determine which ideas deserved attention. Artificial intelligence may become one of the most powerful tools ever created. But intelligence alone does not provide purpose. Knowing more is different from knowing why. And civilization has always advanced because people asked questions no machine could invent for them. History rarely changes because someone finds a better answer. It changes because someone asks a different question. What if the Earth moves around the sun? What if diseases can be prevented? What if humans could fly? What if information belonged to everyone? Every turning point began as curiosity before it became knowledge. Artificial intelligence can help explore countless possibilities. But curiosity is more than computation. It is the courage to imagine what does not yet exist. Perhaps the greatest advantage humans possess is not memory, or speed, or calculation. It is the ability to care about outcomes that cannot be measured by numbers alone. Justice, compassion, meaning, responsibility, hope. These ideas do not emerge from mathematics by themselves. They emerge from human experience, relationships, and the values we choose to uphold. Technology can amplify those values. It cannot choose them for us. For 12 episodes, we have explored invisible colleagues, learning machines, conversations, creativity, memory, trust, decisions, reality itself. Each innovation has revealed a remarkable truth. The future is not a contest between humans and artificial intelligence. It is a partnership that will reflect the best or the worst of what we choose to build. Artificial intelligence may answer more questions than any tool in history, but the future will always begin with a question that only a human mind chooses to ask, because every civilization is ultimately defined not by the intelligence it creates, but by the wisdom with which it chooses to use it. And that story has only just begun. Every civilization is ultimately defined not by the intelligence it creates, but by the wisdom with which it chooses to use it. The next chapter begins with a question. Like and subscribe, please.